found one. I found one right on the floor. But, oh.
Anna, did the Easter Bunny come?
Oh, well, that doesn't have one.
Anna, find some eggs. Find some eggs, Anna.
I found one.
Hmm.
In the block area. I found the one that were just on the TV. Yeah.
Alex, let her find some. Annie, come over here and look.
I can share. Now we're sure. Oh, shit!
Yay, Anna! Anna, looks like the Easter Bunny left you a basket.
That one's for Annie. I'm giving the ones that are too high for. Oh man. Mommy, look where I found one.
No, it's funny.
Easter bunny comes everywhere. Hey, buns.
Anna, what are you doing?
No. Is it sick Wednesday, Mom? Oh. Oh, that's the book.
You can use that blue one to put your eggs in. That's on the table.
Good dick.
Anna, go find some eggs.
I want to go for it. Oh! I found one. Mom.
Oh, wow. That bunny got tricky this year, didn't he?
Yeah, but he is super creepy. Well, you know why I got better eyes. I found it. Oh, my word. Oh. Uh-oh. Who is this? Who is this?
I don't know.
I found one of Easter eggs. Daddy, do you want to come help us find some? Because I actually found a lot. I found one right on the couch. Behind the couch.
Wow.
It's so funny.
Anna, go help find eggs.
This one.
I told him there's
I
an
found
empty
that
basket
one.
over
I
there
found this
Where?
one right
on the
there.
coffee table.
Thanks, Daddy. Daddy.
Wait, I got a basket here. Oh, did you lose them?
No. Well, I didn't lose one in this one, though. Whoa. That was for
Annie, happy Easter.